Fire in the Des. Right, Doug?
Right.
You're on candid fucking video. How was your ride today?
Man, that was a good rip.
Fucking rip.
Fuck yeah, we're gonna do it again. Hopefully we'll have good weather to do it again tomorrow.
Very nice, he says.